Ever find yourself staring at the screen, staring at charts, feeling frustrated, wondering why every trade goes against you? Seriously, you're not alone. Every trader has been there. Volatility takes you out, doubts creep in, and you can be left feeling pretty flat at times. The thing is, there is definitely light at the end of the tunnel. If you persevere and you have the right tools, strategy, things can shift. In this video, I'm going to show you what's possible. So if you're ready to stop the struggle, then stay with me, because what I'm about to show you in this video could change the way you trade the markets forever. This is special. The video will be a quick look at some backtesting, some results, and then we'll get into a full tutorial towards the end of the video. So without further ado, enjoy the video. Scalping, 5-minute time frame. Just doing a little bit of a back test here, and just having a look. We've got 2, 3 out of 3, 4 out of 4, 5 out of 5. And I'll turn this into a full tutorial. 6 out of 6, 7 out of 7, 8 out of 8. There's a 100% win rate at the moment. So we've got 8 out of 8. And how is that possible? So let's just say if we incorporate 2 more indicators and this one, everything needs to be green. Okay, see how we've added more green and red, right? So when everything lines up and that signal fires, we just take the trade. You got to work out your stop loss. You could go with this first set of green dots here, and then your exit. See this signal here? This is your exit right there, that little dot, and that will fire and get you out. Okay, there's 2R. Let's just go back and have a look and see. There's the dots for the stop loss. There's your exit. 3 and 2 is 5R. There's the dots there. There's your exit. Let's just call it 6R. Very, very simple. I mean, there's just nothing to it. You don't have to do anything else. Just take it. We got a 6R, and you'd go, oh, look, it's up to you. You could close it there. That's 1.6. But every now and again, I mean, look, if it's trending like that and you're still in it, while it's moving above here, you can hang in there. And there's another 7R. But let's just call that now we're up 7R. Okay. And look, this is just the euro dollar. You could be trading the euro dollar, Aussie dollar, New Zealand, all the dollar pairs at the same time, and you're just multiplying your return. 7R, this one gave us 5, okay? 12R, we haven't had a loser yet. There's your TP level up there. Another 3, 15R, taking every single one of these signals. Another 2, 17R. I'm trying to fault this, and I think there was a couple of signals that didn't work out. This one here, there was a bit of a run under here. If you went with the green dots, 17R. So we're back to 16R. So that one's not a happy one. We'll just do that. The rest of them are smiley face. So what are we up to? 16R. All right, and I think there were 2 back here that were a bit dodgy. Oh, yep, that worked out. So another 3. Well, hang on. You may have closed there. 1R. Okay, what are we up to? 15, 16R. 16R, and then that one, -1 is back to 15R. So we got 2 down. 15R, that's nice. 15, all right, we'll go another 1R. 16. And I mean, as I said, if you trade multiple pairs that are correlated, you're going to come out way ahead. Keep your risk, your stop loss, risk about 0.1% of your account on every trade. What are we up to? 16, 17, 18R maybe? I mean, look, you can see, well, where did that go? You can see how successful this is. I mean, look, we've had 2 losers out of however many. It's just brilliant. That one might have been a little bit, oh no, look, but where did you take profit? That's the thing. That's 1.6 there, and then it kind of headed south. Yeah, that one was, if you went with a tight stop loss. Oh, well, that'll happen every now and again. But, I mean, the amount of winning trades that you have, look at that. I mean, that gave you 7R. So, you can lose 7 trades with 1 winner like this. Okay, guys, here's how you trade this. So simple. 5-minute chart. I'm going to show you the settings in a minute, but your entry on the signal, your stop loss goes on the dots. You can set this to go off, to bring you into the chart to take your trade. So let's just do that. The momentum sync. This is your alert to take a trade. Add alert. Okay, this is scalping euro dollar, and we're going to go. You got to go buy and sell signals. Don't choose any alert, right? Buy and sell signals. Message. And I'll call it scalping, right? 5M scalping. Notifications. I want this one to make a bit of noise. What's that knock knock like? All right, I'm going to go knock knock. Okay, I really want to be notified. Once per bar and create. That's in. 5-minute chart. Okay, here are the settings. No, well, before we get there. So you take the trade on the signal when it fires. It'll fire over here in the alerts log. There's some alerts going off, and the stop loss. You just look for these green dots. Okay, there's your stop loss right there, and your target. You let it run, because what you're going to do once you enter this trade, you are going to set a trend channel, 3 dots, add alert, and if it's a bullish trade, you want TP exit bullish trade. Okay, TP exit bullish trade. Once per bar. And the notification, well, you could make it the same. And I mean, when you hear this thing, you just got to come in, create. All right, that will go off. I won't do it, right? So as soon as this here goes off, you're in. You come straight in and you close that trade. That's all there is to it. Simple. Now here are the settings. Just 3 indicators. Oh, and the other condition is the background. All the green has to match up. If there's green here and red behind, you don't touch it, and vice versa. Okay, the colors have to match up. That's it. All right. Now here's the settings for the momentum sync. The tide is 30 minutes. Yeah, that's the only change I made. Okay. All right. So and you're trading a 5-minute chart. The tide go okay. The trend channel going down. Bear with me for a second. You can also, I mean, look, this is just running with the default, but the trend channel, we remove these 1, 2, 3, 4. Take them out. Okay, that's the settings on the trend channel. The trend track multi, you're going to go inputs and you're going to click that. Include the 30-minute trend. That's it. I like the 87% zone transparency. Oh, yeah, and take out pain labels. All right, just reduce that. That's it, guys. That's all you need. And set this up as a, I'm going to save this. I'm going to save the layout, and it's going to be called, actually, I'm going to make a new layout. This is my, make a copy. Okay, that's another layout. So this one's going to be 5-minute scalping layout, right? Done. 5-minute scalping layout. So that will save it, and you've got all your settings and everything in there ready to go. 5-minute scalping layout. Now, the other thing you can do with this, if you want to go that next level of confirmation, when the signal fires, this is just going, to that, you want to reduce the losses. There won't be many, but see where I took that trade right here. Now I've marked up. Down below, I've got a 30-minute chart. So what you want to see is when this is going off up here on the 5-minute, you want to see that the candle colors are green down here, and the same for a sell signal. All right, so this is just going to the next level if you want to do that. Sell, we'll mark it up there, and the sell happened here. Okay, are the candles under? See here, look. You want the candles to be under. See how it gets you in on this pullback right here? I mean, that's magic, guys. Seriously. All right, so you want to see that, it's you want to see the candle colors are the same color as the signal. That's it. What else? Okay, the settings for the 30-minute chart. Trend bars. You need the inputs to be the tide to be 30, and the style to be pain labels. You can remove. Yeah, you don't need them because you're not trading them. Take that out. And the trend channel on the 30-minute, this is the 30-minute down here. This is your tide. The other one's the wave. The trend channel, you're going to want to take those 4 out. And that's it. Go OK. And you're done. That is your scalping, 5-minute scalping layout. Maybe save it again and good to go. All right. That's it. Now, what you need to do is find currency pairs that when you backtest, when you look back, have a very high win rate, because some charts are better than others. And you want to stay away from really whippy, messy price action. Some charts just flow really well. So, I mean, the euro dollar's good. You could just check the other dollar pairs. And, you know, if you get an 8 or 9 out of 10 on the back test, then you could do that. So that's that. Now, access, you can try this completely free for 7 days or 14 days. It's up to you. To gain access, just go to the website. It's anthonyfx.com and go join VIP. Scroll down and, you know, you got the choice of silver. Look, 7-day free trial and then it's discounted. You gain access to both Discord, and you got my signals in Discord as well here, and the TradingView indicators. Shout me lunch once a month and you've got ridiculously good value. Gold level, yeah, if you want the Telegram signals, that's only if you're wanting to set up auto copy on TS Copier. Well, that's $49 a month after the 14-day trial. Anyway, you'll either see this opportunity or you won't. With that, have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.